Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm just going to talk about how to update Office applications. Um, Updating Office applications is actually needed, especially if you're having issues with bugs here and there. You need to update it because it fixes bugs and it also improve your performance, the application performance. It optimizes application performance, reducing lagging and increasing productivity. It also Updating your Office application also helps in resolving issues that cause applications to crash or freeze. And also it gives you it introduces new features, tools and functionalities that enhances your experience and productivity. So it is very advisable to always update your Office applications. You can as well disable it, but it is advisable to update it for security reasons as well. And its updates can actually ensure compatibility with newer operating systems and hardwares and also softwares. So I'll just show you how to update the Word. Uh, all you need to do is come here, click on this, click on updates. You're going to see updates. Click on it, updates. It's already up to date. If it's not up to date, it takes a while and then updates. You can as well disable this update if you want. So you can do this for the Excel as well, but we just did this for Word. So it updates to the version 2.4.12, which is the latest version. Yeah, and we're using a current channel on this. So this is how to update. I hope you enjoyed this.